Good afternoon, Buffalo. My name is Mr. Caldwell. I'm the new principal here at Buffalo High School. I wanted to introduce myself and tell you all how excited I am to be the principal here. And we wanted to create this virtual open house to let you guys know some of the new procedures and things that we're going to be doing during this school year. Whether you chose the virtual option, where many of you are picking up your laptops today here at the school, or you chose the 5-day instructional model, staff, teachers, and everyone here have been working extremely hard to prepare for the upcoming weeks. So we're going to go around the building now and introduce you to some people, show you some of the new procedures and things that you'll be looking at next week, and we're excited to see you. See you soon.
Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Sowards. I'm the new assistant principal here at Buffalo High School. I'm very thankful and honored for the opportunity to be in this position. I look forward to working with the students, the staff, and the community for many years to come.
Hello Buffalo Bison, I'm your financial secretary, Carla Cobb, and just want to tell you a few things about the front office. All students must enter the front doors after the 8:28 tardy bell. To do so, you will ring the buzzer on the post out front and wait until someone acknowledges you and unlocks the door. The sign-in and sign-out sheets will be here in the foyer on the table. Once you sign in, you will enter the main office door and get your admit to class slip. During the school day, if you need to see one of our administrators or the school nurse, you will report to the office and ask permission to do so. If you need to see our counselor, she has a door located in hallway A. In the office, you can find several forms such as HS-18, physical packets, and proof of enrollment applications. We also plan to have a link for you to apply online for your proof of enrollments in the near future. I am at the school all day, so please come see me if you have any questions. I will be happy to help you and look forward to seeing you soon.
Hello, I'm Ms. Parsons, and I'm the counselor at Buffalo High School. I'd like to welcome you guys to a great school year, and we hope that 2021 will be the best one yet. It's a little bit different year than what we've had before, but together we're going to work through it. There's going to be a lot of things that we're learning together, but we'll make it work. For those of you who are in seat, and for those of you who are virtual, you should be getting your school schedule. We can make changes to that for the first week of school, but I need you to stick with the classes you have until you fill out the proper paperwork, and then I'll notify you when it's ready. For those of you that are in the building, you'll pick up a course request change form from the front office, fill it out, get it signed, and turn it back into me. I'll pull those and change your schedule as I get them. For those of you who are virtual, I will post this on Schoology or our Facebook page, and you'll be able to access it virtually. And we'll talk through email, or you can give me a call and we'll get it taken care of for you. But if you need anything, just let me know.
Hi, I'm Jeremy Litton, Athletic Director here at Buffalo High School. No doubt, 2020 has been a rough year, but we hope to keep moving forward as the school year begins. So far, we've had successful scrimmages in both football and volleyball. Both were praised in how smoothly they went, and we hope to continue this as the season moves forward. We ask for your continued cooperation in moving forward and by following the guidelines. As Athletic Director, one of my duties is to make sure that all athletes are eligible, and I start by asking that if a student is interested in playing a sport in any season, to go ahead and get that sports physical. Fill out the athletics packet available in the front office or on our website at bhs.putnamschools.com. Once completed, turn them in to Mrs. Cobb in the front office. Getting them turned in on time will guarantee you will start on time.
So when you arrive here at Buffalo High School this year, we're going to have 4 entrances to come into the school. Everyone who rides a bus to school this year will come in at the front entrance. So this front door will be your entrance if you arrive by bus. Now, if there's a chance that there's 2 or 3 buses lined up, if you're on the second or third bus, you will enter through the side door, which takes us into the area by the library. And then you'll proceed into the commons, or if it's after 7:58, you'll go to your first block teacher. The other entrances, entrance 3 and 4, are for drivers and or parent pickup. So if your parent brings you to school, you'll come around the back parking lot and they'll drop you off and you'll come in the back doors. Mr. Sowards is going to show you those 2 entrances now.
Students who drive and park on the side will enter through door 12 by the kitchen. Only students who park on that side will enter through this door, and you will also exit through this door. If you are a student who will be driving and parking out back by the blue building or behind the gymnasiums, or you are a student that will be dropped off or picked up by your parents, you will enter and exit through door 6 at the back of the building.
So we've got several other changes this year. One of those being that we're not going to use lockers this year. To cut down on congregation in the hallways, students are encouraged to bring a backpack or a computer bag that they can put their laptop and their other belongings in. Another change is classroom doors will be left open this year to allow for more airflow. Windows, when it's not too cold, will also be open as well. So for lunch, we've got social distancing reminders on the floor that mark out 6 feet of distance that we're going to try to provide for students as they're waiting in line. One line will go down this hallway, one down the other hallway. We also have dividers on our round tables here in the cafeteria. And we have our long tables marked with tape where students can sit to provide as much distancing as possible. Our first lunch is seniors and juniors. Our second lunch will be sophomores and freshmen. We have seating in here for any student who's eating hot lunch. Oxygen will be reserved for students who are bringing their own lunch or maybe not eating lunch. We also have our outdoor eating area in the courtyard on days that are nice enough to do so. When you arrive at school in the mornings, starting at 7:45, our cooks will be providing breakfast. If you arrive between 7:45 and 7:58, you'll eat your breakfast here in the Commons. Starting at 7:58, if you get your breakfast, you'll go directly to your first block teacher. There will be arrows throughout the hallway, and you'll see those as you travel through the hallway. We're going to flow from A hallway by the library and back through B hallway. So once you get your breakfast, starting at 7:58, you'll just go to your first block teacher.
At Buffalo High School, we've had many questions about school supplies for the 2020 school year. This year, you will need to bring a backpack or laptop bag. Students will be required to wear a mask at school. It is highly recommended that students have reusable water bottles. Many assignments will be turned in via Schoology, Putnam County's newly adopted learning platform. Students will still be turning things in on paper as needed. Students will still need regular school supplies such as a 3-ring binder, notebook paper, pencils, pens, and other things that may be requested in a teacher's syllabus. Students may still bring their own device. However, Putnam County Schools will be providing laptop computers for all students grades 6 through 12. Students will receive their laptops after signing their acceptable use policy forms. Students will need a set of wired earbuds or headphones for their personal use with the laptop computers. Students may use other accessories such as an external mouse to use with their assigned computers. Students will need their Office 365 credentials for both email and for logging into Schoology. Most importantly, a charged battery. Students are to charge their laptops at home and bring them to school fully charged. A limited number of charging stations will be available at lunchtime. Now let's meet some of the staff of Buffalo High School.
Hey guys, this is Coach Mack. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Looking forward to seeing you next week, whether it be in person or on the computer. Y'all stay safe out there.
Whether it's virtual or face-to-face, have a wonderful year. I'm Mr. Burdett.
Hey guys, it's Miss Casto. I'm excited to be teaching biology at the high school this year, and I can't wait to see all of you.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Constanti, also known as Miss K. I'm your science teacher. I can't wait to see you all, whether it be virtual or in class.
I'm Mr. Bauer, and I can't wait to see your beautiful shining foreheads with wonderful masks covering this year for 2020-21.
Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Grant and I am the agriculture teacher and FFA advisor, and I just wanted you to know we are so excited to start our school year with you here at Buffalo High School, and we hope you have a wonderful year, whether that be virtual or here at school.
Hey kids, this is Mrs. Bias. I'm the librarian at Buffalo High School. I can't wait to see you all next week.
Hola, I'm Mrs. McPherson, otherwise known as Profe. I'm the World Language Department here at Buffalo High School. So if you ever have Spanish class, I'll see you there.
Hello, I'm Mr. Hickenbotham, and remember, it's always great to be a Bison.
As we close this video out, we wanted to reiterate that the number one importance of this year is the safety and security of all the students and staff here at Buffalo High School. So we're going to do everything in our power to make that happen. We're going to follow all the safety guidelines handed down from the health department. Masks will be required. As you can see in the video, everyone had a mask on. And we're going to do everything in our power to keep everyone safe here and have a wonderful school year. If you ever have any questions, concerns, comments, feel free to call the office at any time. You can ask for me or leave a message at any point in time. We're looking forward to a great school year. We're excited to see you next week.